Hello everyone, in this video we will be tackling about table tennis or ping pong. Table tennis was invented in England in the late 1880s. As a parlor game adaptation of lawn tennis, the International Table Tennis Federation says Englishman David Foster introduced the first action game of tennis on a table in 1890, patenting it as a parlor table game. The father of table tennis is generally considered to be Ivor Montagu, while David Foster introduced the first table tennis game in 1890. The Montagu played a pivotal role in developing the sport's formal structure and organization, including framing the rules and founding the International Table Tennis Federation, ITTF. Ivor Montagu, a multi-faceted life film, politics, and table tennis. Ivor Montagu was born in 1904 and died in 1984. He was a prominent figure in British film, politics, and table tennis. His life encompassed diverse roles as a filmmaker, screenwriter, producer, film critic, writer, and a dedicated communist activist. He also achieved significant recognition in the world of table tennis.
So next, I am going to talk about history of table tennis here in the Philippines. The origin of table tennis in the Philippines dates back to the early 1990s when American soldiers introduced the sport during the first American colonization period. Well, it's difficult to pinpoint the exact person who played table tennis in the Philippines. Early adopters, American soldiers, brought table tennis to the Philippines in the early 1990s, introducing the game's early version and equipment. Thomas Hyde, a group of American teachers who arrived in the Philippines in 1901, contributing to the spread of table tennis and other sports throughout the island. Notable Filipino players are Ian Lareba, Richard Gonzalez, and Joseph M. Medina.
The next topic is all about the equipment and the uses of table tennis. First, we have the table tennis racket or paddle. Used to hit the ball consists of blade and rubbers on both sides. Second, we have table tennis ball made of celluloid or plastic. It's a hollow ball used for playing. Third, we have the table tennis table, a rectangular table with a net divided into two halves for playing. In table tennis table, we have the length 9 feet or 2.74 meters. The wide is 5 feet, 1.525 meters, and the height is 30 inches or 76 centimeters. And the fourth is the net, divides the table into two halves and determines valid shots. The size of the net is height 6 inches or 15.25 centimeters above the table surface. Wide is extended 6 inches or 15.25 centimeters beyond the table on each side.
Next, I will describe the rules and regulation of table tennis. First, scoring and games. Game objective. A game is won by the first player who gets 11 points. If the score reaches 10-10, the game continues until a player gains a 2-point lead. Next is match format. Matches are typically played as the best of 3 or best of 5. Next is serving rules. Players are 2 points each in singles and doubles, alternating every 2 points until reaching 10-10 after which the alternative every points. Next is serving rule. Tossing the ball. The server must toss the ball straight up at least 6 inches or 16 centimeters from an open palm and strike it as it descends. Next is positioning. The toss and service contact must occur behind the end line. Next is service sequence. The ball must first hit the receiver sides of the table, then the receiver side. Next is double serving. In doubles, the serve must be diagonal hitting the ball to the receiver's right foot. Next is general rules. Ball handling. A player cannot obstruct the ball or strike it more than once successively. Next is bounce requirement. The ball must bounce only once on the receiver side before being returned. Next, let's serve. If the ball touches the seat during the serve and goes over, it is a let, and the serve is replayed. Next is player conduct. Players cannot lean on the table during play. Next is table specification. The table measured 9 feet long and 5 feet wide, with the net height set as 6 inches. Next is ball specification. The official ball is made of plastic with a diameter of 40 mm.
An offensive stroke refers to a shot that is intended to attack or put pressure on the opponent. Some common examples of offensive stroke include loop. A loop is upspin shot that arcs over the net and drops sharply on the opponent's side. Second, smash. A powerful aggressive shoot that is hit with force and speed. Third, flick. A quick first driven shoot that is used to attack short balls. Lastly, a drive. A fast, flat shoot that is hit with power and precision. Last, loop. A shoot that is played high and deep, where the players left the ball over the opponent's head and give themselves time to recover. This stroke are designed to absorb opponents' attack, create them a time and space, and turn the tables to gain an advantage. Second, a defensive stroke refers to a shoot that is intended to defend against one opponent's attack and neutralize their offense. Some common examples of the offensive stroke includes block, a shot that is played close to the table, where the players block the opponent's attacks and return to the ball quickly. Second, push. A shoot that is played with a defensive grip, where the players pushes the ball back to the opponent's side with a gentle, controlled motion. Third, shot. A shot that is played with a lot of back shift, where the players shoots the ball down and make it difficult to the opponent to attack.